Hello Wafflers, and welcome to a new video. We just got our hands on the latest from Vaporesso, the PodStick kit. Is it a vape stick or a pod? Vaporesso blended in this device the best from a vape stick and a pod, making a portable and compact kit. There are two types of pods to choose from, one for mouth to lung and another one for direct lung inhaling. They both feature a very convenient filling system that doesn't let any liquid out. The light indicators located under the fire button give you information about the battery life. With just 3 clicks, you can switch between 3 different outputs to adjust the power. Now it's time to pop the pod in and start vaping on it. Let's compare the vapor production with both coils. The flavor and throat hit with the PodStick is really nice. If you want to get your hands on one of these kits too, here is your chance. Simply subscribe to this channel, share this video, and leave a comment. We will pick a winner really soon. If you want more chances to win, download Buffle. Here we leave you an invitation code to enter a welcome raffle.
Meet me in Vape.
Welcome to Vape.
Meet me in 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 Vape.